Garage. Today's episode, I'm going to install my windshield. Now, I've searched high-low for a video on how to install one of these windshields, and I can't find anything. I'm pretty sure that's how you stumbled across this video, because you're trying to install your windshield and you just want a little how-to. So I'll go ahead and take you through that. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give my video a like. If you want to know more about my Jeep, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let's go ahead and go over some of the tools you'll need. These fastener molding removal toolkit, super helpful. They're stiff yet flexible, and they're not going to scratch your window, which is beneficial when you're installing a new windshield. The other thing you're going to want, water bottle, soap and water. This makes the glass slide a lot easier into the weather stripping, and that could be very helpful also. And then you need to have two beautiful helpers. Okay. If you don't have access to two beautiful helpers, you need at least one helper. They're going to be helpful when holding the window and manipulating the sill and the window to mate with each other. So, let's go ahead and learn about our sill. Alright, next thing you got to do is inspect your molding. Make sure it's in good condition. If you're reusing a molding and has a bunch of crack or anything like that, I highly suggest going to First Gear Off-Road and picking you up one of their moldings there. They're really helpful over there, and they got some really nice stuff. So once you have your molding laid out for a few days, making sure it's room temperature, don't install it cold, makes it a lot more non-pliable. Alright, so this is one of the D windows. This goes behind the driver and passenger seat, but it has the same type of sill. So the flat portion here is going to go inside. And so this is our lock here, and our window will go in this portion. I'm just going to essentially put this in here and show you what I'm talking about with some of the other stuff. Once the sill's installed, we want to go ahead and start opening up the lock. Now, some people have found it helpful to go ahead and pull this portion out, and then you can put a piece of tape on there and tape it up, which helps keep that gap open. So you just go around, opening up the lock. It keeps that nice gap in there, which allows plenty of space for the window to go. Probably should just stand back and watch them do all the work so it doesn't get screwed up. Too late for that, they got me going. Now it's time to unlock the sill. The easiest way to do this is take your soapy water mixture, spray the sill, and then grab your tool and slide it in between the locks on the sill. With the sill being unlocked, it gave plenty of room for the lower portion of the windshield to slide into the sill. At this point, if your windshield's not centered within your cab, that's okay. You could go ahead and slide your windshield left or right to line up your corners. Once your corners are lined up, go ahead and place your windshield towards the sill. Starting at the bottom and working your way around seemed to make the process go pretty easy. Sort of reminds me of installing a bike tire on a rim. Start at one end and work your way around. Having someone inside to do the same just made the job go that much quicker. Once you ensure that you have with really good contact with the sill all the way around your windshield. Now it's time to go ahead and lock the lock on the seal. The easiest way I found for this to work is tuck the bottom portion into the top portion and work your way around. Lubricating the seal with your water and soap mixture really helps in this process. Look what we have here. The glass is installed. Not too terrible timing. Wow. Thanks guys. Hope you learned something today. I hope this is helpful. If it is, go ahead and give a like. And if you want, please subscribe. If you want to know more about this vehicle, you can check out my Facebook, Kluger's Garage, and also my Instagram, Kluger's Garage. Until next time, get out and shop, build something. Bye bye. Bye bye.